Welcome to AI in Marketing. I am your host and news curator, Stan Bertolo from Nitro Marketing. You will find links to all the stories mentioned in this episode in the show notes.
This is NIAH, your voice for today's headlines. It's Wednesday, January 28th. Here is what we are covering. TechCrunch reports that the personal AI assistant Clawdbot, now renamed Moltbot, has gained significant attention for its unique lobster theme and functionality. Developed by Austrian Peter Steinberger, Moltbot promises to manage tasks like calendars and messages, appealing to users eager for practical AI applications. Initially a personal project, it evolved from Steinberger's need to reignite his passion for technology after leaving PSPDFkit. Despite a legal challenge from Anthropic over its original name, the project retains its core identity. Moltbot's open-source nature allows users to inspect its code, but it also poses security risks, as it can execute commands on a user's computer. Concerns about prompt injection attacks, where malicious content could lead Moltbot to perform unintended actions, have been raised. Users are advised to run Moltbot on separate systems to mitigate risks. Steinberger's experience with crypto scammers exploiting his GitHub username highlights the importance of caution. Moltbot's rapid rise in popularity, evidenced by its GitHub stars and impact on Cloudflare's stock, underscores its potential in the AI assistant space. However, its technical setup and security considerations suggest it remains best suited for tech-savvy users. Steinberger's project demonstrates the potential of AI agents to become genuinely useful tools. Next, Agentic Vision, a feature in Gemini 3 Flash, enhances image processing by integrating visual reasoning with code execution, allowing AI to ground answers in visual evidence. Unlike traditional models that rely on static images, Agentic Vision employs an active investigation approach, using a think, act, observe loop. This involves analyzing queries, executing Python code to manipulate images, and inspecting results for improved context. The capability boosts vision benchmark quality by 5 to 10%. Applications include zooming for detail inspection, image annotation, and visual math. Future updates aim to make more behaviors implicit and expand toolsets. Agentic Vision is accessible via the Gemini API in Google AI Studio and Vertex AI, with ongoing integration into the Gemini app. On that note, the BBC reports that Cisco CEO Chuck Robbins warns of both significant opportunities and risks in the AI boom, likening it to the internet's rise and the dot-com bubble. He predicts AI will surpass the internet in impact, but acknowledges a market bubble where some companies may fail. Robbins highlights AI's potential to change or eliminate jobs, especially in customer service, urging workers to adapt. He also notes AI's risks to online safety, with Cisco using quantum technology to counteract these threats. While the US and China lead in AI, Robbins sees potential for the UK to become a major player. He emphasizes the importance of dialogue with the US administration to navigate these technological shifts. Meanwhile, Wired explores the future of artificial intelligence, AI, through interviews with tech leaders, students, and others, highlighting its integration into daily life and potential impacts. AI is likened to search engines in its ubiquity, with uses ranging from childcare to health advice. While some embrace AI's practical benefits, others express concerns about its influence on job security, data privacy, and societal impacts. The lack of regulation leaves companies to self-regulate, prompting calls for thorough safety testing and ethical considerations. Trust in AI remains low, with only a small percentage of users expressing confidence. Despite concerns, AI's current utility is evident, as individuals use it for tasks like writing and education, reflecting its growing role in society. In other news, Yahoo is reintroducing itself as a web guide with its new AI-powered search tool, Scout. Positioned between traditional search results and AI assistance, Scout aims to provide a more web-friendly search experience. It functions as an answer engine, integrating AI to enhance Yahoo's existing services, including sports, finance, and weather. Scout is built on Anthropic's Claude model and utilizes Yahoo's extensive content and user data. Unlike Google, Yahoo is not constrained by a large search ad business, allowing it to innovate freely. Scout includes affiliate links and ads to remain free for users, with potential for a paid tier. Yahoo's partnership with Microsoft and Bing continues to support its search capabilities, making Scout a promising tool in AI search. After that, OpenAI's exploration of advertising within ChatGPT marks a shift in digital advertising towards relevance and trust over interruption. This move raises concerns about potential clutter and intrusion, but also highlights a new era where brands interact with consumers more meaningfully. Traditional digital advertising relied on interruption, but AI-driven environments focus on quality and user intent. Consumers value experiences that respect their time and help achieve better outcomes. OpenAI's cost-per-view ad model aims to integrate ads without disrupting user experience. Trust is crucial, requiring transparency in commercial content. This evolution in advertising supports innovation while maintaining accessibility. The future of AI advertising hinges on quality and intent, positioning consumers at the center of the experience, enhancing relevance and value. With that said, Flora, a design tool utilized by companies such as Alibaba, Brex, Pentagram, and Lionsgate, has secured $42 million in Series A funding, led by Redpoint Ventures. This tool integrates generative AI models into the design process, allowing users to create media assets using image, text, or video inputs. Flora's node-based system enables users to generate multiple iterations of a concept, facilitating a comprehensive creative workflow. CEO Weber Wang, who previously worked at Menlo Ventures and studied at New York University, launched Flora's alpha version in 2024. The startup aims to enhance its enterprise sales and marketing efforts with the new funding, while also improving its product's creative controls and editing capabilities. Flora's pricing starts at $16 per month, with plans to expand its team from 25 employees. Redpoint Ventures' Alex Bard praised Flora's design and accessibility, noting its potential impact on industries like fashion, advertising, and branding. The funding round also included participation from notable figures such as Vercel CEO Guillermo Rauch, Twitch founder Justin Kan, and others. Flora's total funding now stands at $52 million, positioning it to further democratize the design process. Finally, the National Waste and Recycling Association, NWRA, is collaborating with Woodsy Owl, a conservation mascot introduced in 1971, to promote battery recycling and address the rising issue of battery fires in recycling facilities. Woodsy Owl, known for slogans like "Give a hoot, don't pollute," now champions the message "Skip the bin, turn your batteries in," to encourage proper battery disposal. This initiative aims to educate the public on the dangers of improperly discarding batteries, which can cause fires when mixed with trash or recycling materials. The campaign involves Woodsy Owl touring the U.S. in an Airstream trailer to host battery recycling drop-off events. Genevieve O'Sullivan, NWRA's SVP and Chief of Communications, spearheaded the collaboration, licensing Woodsy's image from the U.S. Forest Service. The campaign avoids complex terminology, focusing on simple messaging to ensure public understanding. NWRA provides information on battery drop-off locations through a dedicated website featuring Woodsy Owl. The Battery Network, partnering with NWRA, supports these efforts by connecting drop-off sites with recycling facilities. The campaign has already seen success in states with battery recycling laws, collecting thousands of pounds of batteries and raising public awareness.
Thank you for tuning in to AI and Marketing. If you want to learn more, check out the episode description. Be sure to subscribe on your favorite podcast platform so you never miss an episode. Contact us to learn how to launch your own AI-generated podcast at nitromarketing.com. That's NYTRO marketing.com. See you tomorrow for more AI and tech news.